What's going on, guys? Luis with Extreme Detail. Thank you so much, Southeast Texas, for the great support. As you guys know me, I started my career doing detailing, and we got several locations around the Golden Triangle. We've been doing PPF, we're doing commercial wraps, we've been doing also ceramic coatings and paint correction, and now we're bringing window tint. I was able to partnership with Llumar with the Formula One team. This is the best brand for window tints. And I want to let you guys know, if you ask him, do I need a window tint? Well, let me tell you something. It's not just about the heat. It's also about security, about privacy, and also the fact that when you're using a great window tint, you're protecting the inside of your car, which is basically your second best investment. If you want to give me an opportunity, I want to let you know that Luis with Extreme Detail is behind you, and we're here to serve you every time, 5 days a week, all year long. See you soon.